Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we will be discussing about different types of recruitment. What are the different types of recruitment? Types of recruitment. For any organization, recruitment is a crucial part of developing and maintaining an effective and efficient team. A good recruitment strategy will cut down the wastage of time and money which would have incurred for extensive training and development of unqualified resources. Recruitment plays a crucial in developing and maintaining the team of an organization in an effective and efficient way. So, a good recruitment strategy will help in recruiting the right person with good skills and experience. By following a good recruitment strategy, money and wastage will be reduced, which would be incurred in extensive training and development of unqualified resources which have been hired without having a recruitment strategy. Have you ever thought of how a recruiter finds the right resources, right candidates? Recruiters use different methods of source, screen, shortlist, and select the resources as per the requirements of the organizations. Orange types explain the means by which an organization reaches potential job seekers. In any organization, recruiters plays a vital role in sourcing the profiles, screening the profiles, shortlisting profiles, then selecting the resources for the requirements in any organization. So, how the recruiters recruit the right candidates? There are different types of recruitments which have been followed by recruiters in an organization in search of potential job seekers. Types of recruitment. In this chapter, we will shed some light on secrets of hiring and recruiting methods used by the recruiters. Recruitment is broadly classified into two different categories: internal sources of recruitment, external sources of recruitment. In this video, we will understand the different methods of hiring recruiting used by the recruiters. And recruitment is broadly classified into two categories. There are internal sources of recruitment and external sources of recruitment. In the upcoming videos, we will be discussing about internal sources of recruitment and external sources of recruitment in detail. If you like this video, please subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.